All right, artists, let's get started on our Jasper Johns inspired collage. Your first step is to put your name on the back of this paper with a pencil. And then you can flip your artwork over. And then using oil pastels, you'll notice we have every color. You're going to draw some numbers on your square sheet of paper. So think about your favorite numbers. You can draw them all differently, like my 4. I'm going to make it a little bit thicker. Really make it big. I'm going to switch my color. I'm also going to turn my paper because I want my numbers, I want some to be upside down. I'm going to put a number right here. It's going to be smaller. Let's do I like how that one kind of looks a little different. I might put some lines in the number. Flip it over again. Oh, I want to use green. I want you to have 5 numbers at least, and no more than 10. So I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Let's flip my paper again. Let's put a and then I'm going to use white. Now it might seem silly to use white, but I'm going to put a white number, maybe a couple white numbers on here. I won't see them right now, but I will see them when I paint. So I'm going to put 2 white numbers. 1, 2. Let's see how many numbers I have. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. I could have 2 more. My next step is to 3 of my numbers. I'm just going to add a few designs, not a lot. Notice I'm not coloring anything in. Just adding lines or shapes. Let's do one more. Okay, my next job, now that I finished drawing my numbers, is to watercolor over this whole square. And I just introduced you to Peter Paintbrush. Peter Paintbrush loves to paint, and today we're going to be using watercolors. Let me show you. And they're liquid watercolors. So they're in these cups, red or yellow, red, orange, blue, green, purple. And once I start painting, you'll be able to see the different colors. You're also going to have a bucket of water and Peter Paintbrush. So to start, because it's watercolor, I want to dip into the water and then wipe it on the lip. Then I'm going to dip into my first color. Let's dip into this blue. And then I can start painting. Now it's your choice. Ooh, there's one of my magic numbers. It's your choice how you want to paint this. I just ask that you fill in the whole paper. Okay, I want to dip into a different color, so I have to put Peter Paintbrush into the water, and I want to swirl him around. 1, 2, 3, and then when there's a drip, wipe it on the lip, and dip into your next color. Let's dip into yellow. And you can paint right over your numbers. Okay. Again, I'm going to switch to my next color. I'm going to swirl it. 1, 2, 3. I'm going to wipe it on the lip. Here's one thing I don't want to see. Do not tap like that because that's going to get water everywhere. So wipe it on the lip and dip into your next color. And you can go ahead and keep painting. So I'm going to finish this. I'm going to let you watch as I finish coloring, and then we'll talk about our next steps. Okay, I have finished coloring my square. If you notice, there's no white spots. My paint covered everything. Now I'm going to raise my hand so Miss Carnegie can pick it up and put it on the drying rack.